Hello everyone. May I help you? For the first time, the older man looked directly at Ray and smiled. A cruel, a mocking smile, remained at the door. They looked like men who were down on their luck and were no ready to try something they would later be sorry about. Ray knows that his visitor are in a need. He accepted an old watch in exchange for a good sum of money. The message of peace and goodwill spreads everywhere as the clock chimes Merry Christmas. The clock ticked on. Ray calmly wrote another message. Have you come to pick up a clock or watch? Then he pointed to the lone boat, a field with hanging clocks, and you have to see in the picture this old man जो उसने वो जो वॉच सेल किया था, बेचा था, जो मतलब गिरवी रखा था, उस वॉच का कीमत उतना नहीं था जितना वो ओल्ड मैन इस आदमी को दे रहा था. मतलब अकॉर्डिंग टू यू हैव टू सी इज अ हेल्पिंग नेचर मैन ऑल्सो. यू नो वेरी वेल व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ दिस पर्सन. मतलब इसके प्रॉब्लम लोगों के प्रॉब्लम को समझता था एंड ही विल बी गिविंग अ हेल्प. ये हेल्पिंग नेचर था दिस पर्सन हैविंग ए हेल्पिंग नेचर. Pocket watchers, he was not pawnbroker, but at the same time couldn't say no to the needy people who appliance means जो needy people होते थे उनके लिए वो बहुत ही help करता था. Old watcher or clocks before him for anything they could get. The owners wanted them back at the same price he had. Paid with no interest. मतलब वो जो वॉच गिरवी रख लेता था तो उसको कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं लेता था. Then the older man seemed to feel a little easier, took out his hand from his pocket and quickly looked at the watch on his wrist. How much will you give me for this? The man wrote. Ray noticed a little shame in the grey eyes. Look at him. The watch was nothing special and yet had great power. It was something to exchange. A way out of a bad situation. मतलब वो समझ गया कि इस आदमी को कोई प्रॉब्लम होगा. So that's why he want to be sell this watch. In this picture, this both are discuss this about the watch. इस वॉच के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. जितना वो अमाउंट दे रहा था इस वॉच को, लेकिन उतना अमाउंट का ये वॉच नहीं था. But he is a helping nature person, so he wants to give some price also. In that day, मतलब उस दिन क्रिसमस था, उसी के अकॉर्डिंग वो उसको कुछ पैसे भी दे रहा था. And knowing that Rage had brought the man to his shop, in the reply came back on the notepad. Whatever it's worth. Ray reached into his cash box, pulled out his $50 notice and passed it into the man's hand. As they shook hands, Ray looked into the man's eyes. They seemed to say thank you. They both knew the watch was not worth that much. Before turning to leave, the man wrote, I will be back to pick it up and soon. मतलब जैसे वो जानता था कि इसका वॉच का रेट उतना नहीं था, तो उसने एक लेटर भी हैंग आउट करके गया दीवार पे. So I will be back to get this pick up the watch. मैं जल्दी आऊँगा इस वॉच को लेने के लिए. Merry Christmas. The little story ended on the off hour with the clocks, striking all together the timepiece which he had been looking on silently all the while, range out the time with such a feeling that even Ray thought he could hear them. Their sweet, a musical message was filled with hope. The timeless message of peace on earth, goodwill toward all was felt by there. A man who stood in the old clock shop. मतलब ये जो क्रिसमस डे का था उस टाइम पे उसने लोगों की मदद भी की. इज अ गुड